I'm Titi from Raphael's in North Olmsted, and I'll be doing a braiding tutorial with you. You're going to have a comb, a rat tail comb, and you're going to make sure that you have the hair combed all the way through. Make sure that it's all the way combed out. And your parts are going to be straight. You can start on the side, just like that. Make sure that your parts are very straight. Especially with the size of someone's head. And you're just going to clip this side up with one of our clips right here. Well, since she has thick hair, you're probably going to need two. All right, I'm going to turn her over, comb it out some more. You're gonna just grab like a small section of the hair, grab like two, and then you're gonna make it into 3 sections. You're gonna clamp this side right here with your 3 fingers. You're gonna use your index finger to cross over in the loop. So you're gonna go through with your index finger and grab some of the pieces of hair right there. And you're gonna twist and use your other index finger all the way around. And it's basically like a twisting method. Go all the way around using your index finger, going in the hole, just like that. Right there, using your index finger. And it doesn't matter how long it takes, just as long as you're looping them. And make sure that the hair is tight, because you want to make sure that you have all the hair and braid it on down. All the way down. I'm gonna grip every strand of hair. And then you're gonna come down a little bit, just like you're just doing a regular braid. And you're just gonna braid under like you're doing an under braid. You're really clamping them, just like that. On a clamp method. All the way down. All the way down. Oh, some may do that and you'll probably need rubber bands because our hair is soft. Does it come down? Just like that. And that's how you do a braid.